Hi YouTubers, thanks for watching and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be cooking mechado, and what you'll need is a few items that I don't really have here completely, but I want to attempt to go ahead and marinate the meat while I go out to go buy the rest of the ingredients. This again is called mechado, and right now I have the meat, which is, I believe it's a chuck roast steak. And I cut it in cubes right there. And I have the soy sauce, garlic powder, and pepper. And I have lemon right here to marinate. We're gonna use about 1 to 2 lemons. And as easy as put the garlic powder first, not salt, garlic powder, just to have that garlic taste. Pepper. And squeeze in the lemon. What you want to do is kind of mush it up a little bit before adding the soy sauce. Just to spread out the lemon. And add the soy sauce. And you don't want to drench it in soy sauce, just enough to have it all over the meat. You will be changing it right here. And that should be enough. As you can see, it's not like soaked or anything. And while we're waiting for it to marinate, I'm gonna go to the store real quick just to get the remaining ingredients.
We're back from the store. We grabbed all the ingredients that we needed for the beef stew.
Or mechado.
And we have here green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and the orange bell peppers, yellow onions. Okay, this is the Hunt's tomato sauce we're gonna be using. We're not gonna use the whole can, maybe 1 to 2 cups. Red potatoes, and we have 4 cups of water. Probably not going to use all of it, maybe like 2 cups. And we have the 2 to 3 pounds of beef chuck roast. Okay, so that's what we have. We're going to put everything together in the Bella. We love the Bella. This is so far a winner for us.
And plus it's a lot bigger than our other pressure cooker, so that's one of the reasons also why we're using it. But Bella is a great product.
Okay, so we're gonna... Okay, first thing we're gonna add, we forgot to mention, is garlic. We forgot to let you know that we're gonna put garlic.
And also bay leaves.
And bay leaves. So I'll write everything down on the description below just in case. So if you guys wanna recreate this beef stew or mechado, we're gonna go ahead and write everything down for you. Okay, so now we're gonna put the bay leaves in next after the garlic.
Maybe about 2 to 3 pieces, depending how large bay leaves are. And then we're going to add the meat, the marinated meat with soy sauce and lemon. So I normally cook this by regular pot, and what I normally would do is brown it first. But today I want to just go ahead and set it and forget about it.
Yeah, so this is our first time cooking it on the Bella, and hopefully it turns out great.
We want to be able to eat faster than my regular cooking on the stovetop. Okay. And as you can see, there's the marinated juice here that I'm going to add the remaining Okay. So basically that's your salt. It's the soy sauce. I'm not adding any salt in this dish. I'm gonna go ahead and add pepper again, which I added earlier. I'm gonna add the potatoes next. I'm just gonna dump it in. And really don't wanna add the bell peppers and the veggies now, but I'm going to do that. Like what I said, I wanna just go ahead and press the pressure cooker and open it and ready to eat. So we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, which is the onions. And the rest of the bell peppers, okay? Alrighty. Now the tomato sauce, we're gonna add on top, just the way this looks. I believe I'm gonna do 1 to 2 cups. Sometimes if you add too much tomato sauce, it doesn't taste too good because it's so acidic. So that should be good. And now I'm gonna add the water. And this is about
4 cups?
4 cups, I believe.
Yeah, that's the whole 4 cups of water.
And that should be enough because the actual meat will produce more juice and liquid along with the onions and the bell peppers and the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, so now we're ready to close it up. Throw the pressure cooker on. So we're gonna go ahead and
I think an hour.
okay, so we're gonna do it in an hour. So we're gonna hit meat stew, 1 hour, and pretty much that's it. Start. So as you know, it's building up pressure right now and it's good to go. All right, so we got less than a minute left, about 20 seconds left. So what we're gonna do is once it hit 0, we're gonna let the pressure release on its own. And once the pressure releases on its own, then we're gonna go ahead and open it up.
Okay, we gotta make sure all the pressure is released. So we're gonna move this. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Let's have all that air come out first before opening.
So it's pretty much out because it would just be steaming up real high.
And if it's still pressurized and then you open it, it may explode. So you always want to release no matter what.
Okay, good to go.
Okie dokie. All right,
Here it is.
guys, here it is. We didn't stir it or anything. We just threw everything in there. So let's see how it looks.
Oh man. Hold on. Camera's steaming up. Wait, hold on. Wait. Wow. Go ahead.
Okay, now I'm gonna stir it. Oh, wow. That looks good.
Look at that. Okay, let's look at the meat.
Let's get a potato, meat, and everything else. Well, let's get the one that doesn't have a fat, because let's get a lot of meat, and there you go. Because the one with fat should be soft. Let's see how soft it is. Wow,
look at that.
Just breaks off. Good job.
That's 1 hour on the Bella pressure cooker.
And this is your
red
potatoes.
Sorry, camera keeps fogging up, but
Nice
so
and
let's
steamy.
go ahead and check it out. Well, guys, this is it. Beef stew.
Mechado. Looks good. I think if I have to do it again, I'll put less water.
Let me see this real quick.
You gonna try
Let's
it?
go ahead and give it a try.
Ooh, that's a big chunk. Let's get that. It's hot. Blow it.
Soft. All right, guys. This is real good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Any comments?
Hope you guys like it.
Let us know below.
We're gonna eat now.
Hit the like button. Thanks again for watching.